I do not expect you to come quietly. What an amusing joke.
What makes you think I'm joking? You're hardly more than a greater demon.
Very well. This will be great fun. I shall humor you for a bit. Consider it post-meal calisthenics.
I'll end you quickly. Strike magic! Nuclear cannon!